Good morning friends, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to solve the exercise of lesson number 8. So see the first question here. First question is give one word for the following. Okay student? So here sentence is given. You have to read that sentence and you have to write one word for that sentence. First sentence, lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere. So what we call to that lowest layer of the Earth's, that is called the troposphere. 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 Okay students? If words are not visible, so I will write one more time. Gas essential for burning. Which gas is essential for burning? So oxygen gas is essential for burning. So OXYGEN. These letters are not clear, so I am writing. Okay, students, you can note down this. Next, water fit for drinking. That is called potable water. Which water? Potable. Potable. Potable water. The next, simplest way of purifying water. At home, how we can purify water? So by boiling. So here BOILRING. BOILRING. Boiling. Okay. So these are the answers. Next, method used by residential colonies to clean water in overhead tanks. So by which method? Chlorination method. CHLORINATION. Chlorination method by adding chlorine powder. Next, match the following. Now see here, aircrafts fly in this region. In which region? So answer is stratosphere. So here option number 4th you can note down. Temperature decreases with increasing altitude. So in mesosphere. So option number 1st. It extends from 90 km to 500 km. So here 5th number. It is the site where all weather take place. Second number, that is troposphere. It has very thin layer of air. Exosphere. Okay, so here third option. Question number next. Fill in the blanks. Dash is used in making light bulbs. Argon. 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 Next, substances that pollute water are called impurities. 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 Layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Yes or no? Atmosphere. And then in the process of dash, water is passed through a sieve. That is filtration. Filtration process. And then next, the impurities that dissolve in water are called soluble impurities. Those are dissolved in water. So then we call soluble impurities. Okay student, Now we'll go to the next question. So before next question, you can write down these answers. Okay, now we'll go to the next question. So choose the correct option. You have to select one best option from the bracket. Okay, two options are given. So first question, the process of settling down impurities. Settling down is that is the sedimentation process. So you can underline sedimentation. Space shuttle orbits in this region. So in which region? Thermosphere. Okay. Water collected by this process is the purest form of water. Boiling or distillation? Distillation. The process in which we slowly pour clean water in another container after sedimentation, that is called the decantation, not filtration. And last one, gas which does not support burning. Oxygen support burning. So answer is nitrogen, which does not support burning. Next question, answer the following questions. So answer the following questions. You can find out. Otherwise, I will send the PDF, so that PDF you can see. Next question, choose the correct answer or tick the correct answer. First question, which one is not the layer of Earth's atmosphere? So, which one is not the layer of the atmosphere? Troposphere, mesosphere, exosphere, geosphere. So answer is geosphere. Next, which gas is required by plants for photosynthesis? Nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, hydrogen. So answer is carbon dioxide. Which one is not correct? Air occupies space, correct. Air exerts pressure, correct. Air is colorful, air has weight, correct. So this is the answer. Air is colorful. Sorry, which one is not correct? So air is colorful? No, it is colorless. Next, water is not used for cooking, walking, irrigation and producing electricity. So here, walking, no need water here. Which is not a way to remove the insoluble impurities from water? Sedimentation, decantation, filtration. So answer is distillation. Okay students, so this way you can solve the exercise and the PDF of question and answers I will send to you, so you can copy answers from that PDF. Okay students, so here our lesson number 8 got over. These two lessons, lesson number 7 and lesson number 8, both lessons will come to you for third unit test. So you can prepare both the lessons very carefully at home. Okay students, we see you on next video.